Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Life's Calculations. Once again I have brought up one video for you in which I am going to tell you that what has been removed from the chapter of similarity. Okay, from the chapter of similarity, and this, when I speak about the topics and the exercises, I will be talking about concise mathematics, right? Concise mathematics is the name of the big book which I am referring in order to tell you what has been removed from the chapter of similarity for class 10th ICSE mathematics, right? So first of all, students, what has been included, what has been removed, right? So first of all, the definition part very well, surely we are going to do. Then conditions of similarity, as you know, we will be discussing about AAA, right? Or we have got SSS also, right? And we have got AA also, etc. Okay, these are included, and the questions based upon these also will be included. It means now we can clearly see that all the problems based upon the definitions and conditions of similarity will be included. Means we will be, if I talk about these two topics, then exercise 15A will be everything from 15A we are going to do from this chapter, right? Next important topic comes in this chapter is about BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, with its applications has been included. With applications, students, remember, it means full exercise number 15B, exercise 15B, which is based upon BPT, will be included. Okay, nothing to be excluded from BPT, right? Then comes very important topic, relation between areas of two triangles which are similar. Okay, and this, from this topic, definitely student, question comes in the exams. This is for the question in exams, remember. Okay, and surely one question you will find in exams from this topic. So relation between the areas of two triangles, so many questions are there, and I would definitely suggest that all the sums of exercise 15C you are going to do. Now come the two important topic which were there: similarity as a size transformation, and application of similarity to maps and models. As already told, these two have been excluded. So students, as well as for the exams, these two topics has been excluded for the exams to be conducted in the year 2021, right? So remember these two: similarity as a size transformation, applications to maps and models. Okay, so if I talk about concise mathematics book, right, then I would suggest you that exercise number 15D, if I say exercise number 15D, I think will not be included in the syllabus. Okay, so and from these topics, similarity, size transformation, and applications to maps and models, also students, definitely one question would definitely come in exam which has now been excluded. This was also our important part now, but now this will not be there for the exams. Okay, so you can simply you can surely and simply expect one question from exercise 15A, 15B, 15C only, and from that also, from my point of view, exercise 15C, students, remember, exercise 15C with its examples is the sure 99% are the chances that the question is going to come from this exercise only, and the examples are very much important, and the kind of questions given in other books also surely, okay, are the important and very much sure topic for to be considered for the exams. Okay, so students, I hope this is all clear about the chapter of similarity, right? I will definitely bring up more videos on the syllabus and different types of topics related to our syllabus. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you very much.